Hello everyone and welcome to Tribute to the Troops. Before I show you the first matchup, I just want to tell you this is the first matchup of 4 that I will be doing every Tuesday since NXT Season 2 is over, and I don't want to start my next NXT season until I start the WWE 12 season. That way I don't have to put them on all 12 Super Rookies on both games. So, I'm doing for the next 12 weeks, Tribute to the Troops, WWE 12 preview show. A couple weeks ago, I showed you a match between Axe and Hawk. So today, I'm going to flip the script and show you Smash versus Animal. Get the other side of those two tag teams to go at it. This time, I'm going to be Smash in the match, whereas last time I was Hawk, because I want to even out the series. And then that way, when I have them fight in the dark match of Royal Rumble, it's 1-1 if I win. That is, of course, this match. Of course, at Royal Rumble, it will be a tag team dark match between Demolition and the Road Warriors. So let's go ahead and get this first match from Tribute to the Troops started. The show is called Just Bring It CM Punk because tonight The Rock challenges CM Punk for the $1 Million Championship that Punk defeated The Rock for over 100 days ago. It'll be a short attempt to take the title back. Well, third time being a charm. We'll have to wait to find out later tonight.
And his opponent from Chicago, Illinois, weighing 305 pounds, Road Warrior Animal.
I know a lot of you are wondering when I'm going to do a Brock Lesnar match. I'm not going to do a Brock Lesnar match because of the storyline that I have set up for. I'll talk about that later on.
Yeah, this one should blow the roof off the house. Don't be surprised at all if these guys attempt to one-up each other in this one.
Talking about NXT Season 3, Axe is going to be one of the rookies.
That Irish whip was delivered with tremendous aggression. Oh, no! Looks like his head just bounced off the concrete. Oh, no! WWE Magazine out this far. Interesting articles in there about all the superstars here in the WWE. And he was just careening into those steel steps. With his strength alone, Smash can manhandle most people. Well, that was Simeon with chiropractor. Animal's almost like a pit bull in his aggression. This match is being televised around the world in 18 languages in over 110 countries. Fights his way out.
A couple weeks ago, we had the Rock 15 on Monday Night Raw, and Rock won. They're stating the right to challenge him once again for the title.
Wow, look at Smash's eyes. That's one guy you don't want to mess with.
Got defeated in just a regular one-fall match.
Animal is just a powerhouse
man. Going at it in a ladder match this
Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here. And he does it one more time. Animal into the headlock. Oh gosh, right down on the kidneys. Animal is so dangerous. When he can target and batter an opponent with his strength and power, you know the end isn't far away. Big move coming. The troops of this base work 12 hours on, 12 hours off. And they would use their off time to help build this arena because they wanted to be a part of this special event. There's a great feature on WWE.com on the building of this arena. Smash appears to be savoring this. Animal controlling the head. He got the arm off. And there's the release. What's going to happen now? I'm scared to ask. Again, this is the fantastic tribute to the Troop Special. What an honor it is to give back just a little something and say thanks to our brave fighting men and women overseas. And there's the camel clutch. Shades of the legendary escape.
Whoa! We'll be doing this every Tuesday, guys. Every Tuesday.
The troops are having a blast here. You know the ring was set up by servicemen and women as well. After they got done, they took the opportunity to bounce around in there and have some fun.
I bet.
What should Animal be looking to do now, Kate? Well, on paper they matched up. I'm not really sure he has any advantage. So he really needs to suck it up and just do what he does best. He absolutely could. A pound driver like that is not something you just shake off. Animal squeezing down on the head. The tension, the drama. This is electric. He's still not through. Big right hand, right to the chin. What great action we got in this match.
Let's do a tribute to the troops pay-per-view.
Man, this has been a great matchup. Too slow. Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here. He sees it. Whoa! Power slam by Animal. Hooks away. 1, 2.
Oh, I kicked out.
Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one. I can't believe everything that's transpired thus far. It's been so physical. The mission lock, and he breaks the hold. I guess he wanted to try something else. I don't know what more you'd want to do to another man. And again, the mind games
Stop
playing.
taunting.
These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Uh-oh, there's more in their arsenal. I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it. Wait a minute! Smash! Smash practically destroyed him with that. Uh-oh, this is bad. Keep your eyes on Smash. Uh-oh, what a huge move. Oh, man, you can practically see the pain in his face right now, thanks to that tremendous move off the ropes. Swinging neck breaker. He's really been zeroed in on. He thinks he has it. 1, 2, 3. No, he kicked out.
Oh.
And there's some more emotion on display. Smash loves to work people over with his power and size. Wow, look at this. Every time Smash is in the ring, the match turns into a demolition derby. 1, 2, 3. Smash wins.
And that will even out the series between Demolition and the Road Warriors at 1 apiece.
And to a winner. Votes for victory here tonight.
We'll have another great match coming to you when Tribute to the Truth returns. When Tribute to the Troops returns, we will have another great match, a tag team match coming at you next.